I tried HAHM app review. App for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. HAHM claims to simplify home automation, wellness tracking, and personal management, but most people get this wrong. They assume such apps are overly complicated or ineffective. I tested it daily to see how it performs. On day 1, I installed the app and synced devices. The interface is clean with sections for device control, schedules, and wellness tracking. Most people get this wrong by expecting technical headaches, but HAHM is surprisingly user-friendly. On day 3, I automated lights, temperature, and reminders. You won't believe what happens next. The app began suggesting optimizations for energy savings and routines I hadn't considered. The surprising truth is that AI-driven recommendations can make daily life easier without constant manual input. By day 5, I tracked wellness metrics and received actionable tips. Many assume smart home apps only control gadgets, but HAHM integrates lifestyle monitoring with automation, improving both convenience and health awareness. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. HAHM app review. App is more than a tech tool, it's a productivity and wellness enhancer. Most people assume smart home apps are gimmicks, but the shocking truth is that consistent use can save time, reduce energy costs, and improve routines. For anyone looking to streamline life and integrate wellness tracking with home automation, HAHM offers a practical, intuitive solution. The app's combination of control, insight, and convenience makes it worth exploring.